come in, there were quite enthusiastic Goans, quite a lot of them who wanted to say something on mining in Goa. Well, we decided to talk to them. And we have the first person here, Mr. Peter Fernandes. You're from? Porvorim. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome on News Goingar. He has something to say about the mining, and we would really like to. Peter, I saw that you were a bit enthusiastic in talking about the mining. So, what would you like to say about all this?
First of all, I go every 3 months to Goa, and I have been very in touch with all the politicians, all the organizations, and everybody in Goa. The problem is at the moment, first of all, I should thank Save Goa who come up with this novel idea. Some time back, somebody came as a Save Goa and they shaved Goa. You know, because they completely took Goa for a ride. And some of the MPs in UK are supporting those people who are completely shaving mines from Goa.
Can you tell them who? Can you tell them?
I wouldn't like to tell the names of the MPs, neither the ministers in Goa who are involved.
I think
that is up to the media to find out who was it. But they shaved Goa and they completely spoiled Goa. Today, Mr. Parekar is come with not as a BJP, as a Mr. Parekar. And Goans have bought Parekar, not a BJP. They bought Parekar as a chief minister. And Parekar, with his shrewd mind, have kept the mining, finance, home ministry, all these three ministries with him, so that he can control the corrupt politicians.
Are you saying that he is the savior of Goa?
He is not a savior of Goa. He should prove it what he have said. He have already apologized for cancelling St. Xavier's holiday. He have apologized all the holiday what misdeed he did in the past. But I am sure he have learned the lesson and he will do the best. Only Goans have to give him time. Time is very important.
तुका दिसता आता परिकार आयला खरो तो आता हे मायनिंगाचे आमकां अशो खबरो मेवता गोंयचो न्यूज मेवता त्या प्रमाणे तो आनीकूय फुडें मायनिंग वाडूंक जे इलिगल आहा तांकां लिगल करूंक सोदता म्हणटा हाचे वयर तुजें कितें सांगप
प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक मायनिंगान जाय तो आमचो गरीब लोक एम्प्लॉयड जाल्लो आहा. लास्ट टायम तेणी व्हडलो मोर्चा काडलो आनी कोणे तोकली फोडली आनी तो सांगता कितें मायनिंग तर इनलिगल मायनिंग बंद जायत जाल्यार लोक उपाशी पडटलो म्हणून. तेज्या गोमतेन 2-3 लाखांची सरपळी आहा. फोटवात दाखयता हेरालन हाडला पळय तो फोटो. इतले तर ते कोणी भांगर आहा ते मत्तो उपाशीन केहे मत्तलेत सांग म्हाका. सो पारेकार कितें करूं सोदता इनलिगल मायनिंग पळय आहा तें बंद करून त्या मनशांक पळय अनएम्प्लॉयड जाता तांकां तो सारक्या प्लेसीर घालूंक सोदता. बिकॉज फाल्यां टुमोरो ही विल कम विथ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लेम. Am I right?
वय पूण
Last time PJP was there, we said
आता कितें आहा पळय मायनिंग विल नॉट गोन फॉर एवर सदांच वेचें ना. एक ना एक दीस तें कबार जातलें. तेन्ना एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचें कितें जातलें तुका दिसता की मायनिंग सोंपल्या कबार जाल्या उपरांत मागीर खंयचो एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळटलो.
Exactly. That's what is the right answer Parekar has. I am not BJP. I am no politician. I have no connection with any party. But he is trying to get some industries which is non-politic, some IT people to come and so generate some jobs.
ओके अँड बिफोर दिस हाचे पयलीं गोंयान मायनी नासल्यो इतल्यो हे भाशेन नासल्यो 1-2-3 म्हणजे मेजून कशें आसलो
5 मायनी आसल्यो. साजा गोवा, डेम्पो, बांदेकार
5 मायनी आसल्यो तरी पूण आख्खे गोंय सगळे आख्ख्या गोंयचे गोंयकार सुखान जियेताले जेवण खावन दादोशी आसले. तो तेन्ना तर ते दादोशी आसूंक शकता तर आतां मायनी घालून मायनी कवर बंद उडयलो जाल्यार कित्याक उपाशी मरतले गोंयकार. मायनी नासतना गोंयकार जियोचे ना. आदल्या तेंपार गोंयकार जियेताले.
Fort Aguada was opened the first 5-star hotel in Goa. I was working there in 1975. I have seen how the tourism have come up and how it's dying or killing the Goans. Today the tourism is responsible for all the price going up. Wherever tourism is there, because in Goa tourism is not controlled.
I agree with you. I fully agree with you. No, but my question is, in the past, during the Portuguese regime or even when the Portuguese left, there were, like you said, there were only 5 mines.
Yes.
Right? Still the Goans used to earn their livelihood. They were happy and they were satisfied in life. After all these mines increased, people are working there. But suppose if at that time, without the mines, people could survive, why after closing the mines now people will die?
Because there is so much inflow of other states, okay? They are taking all the jobs. So people have to go anywhere to find a job. I will go for fishing tomorrow.
Who is responsible for this influx of migrants in Goa? Cons above that?
The ministers.
Not only ministers, 1 minute. There is also, I can say, आम्ही गोंयकार आमचे गोंयकार जे आम्ही आमचे घरां भाड्याक दितात तांकां आम्ही तांकां भाड्याक दवरतात निमाणे ती घरां आपले कोत्तात आम्ही घरांनी दवरल्या बॉट ते कशे रावतले फाल्यां तर आम्ही घरां दिना जायत migrants will not be entering Goa.
Can I ask you one thing? In England,
I want to know your opinion on this.
In London, people are working as sweepers and cleaners and everything. Will they work in Goa? No. So who was working there is the migrant people.
Yeah. At this stage, yes, but not so many migrants. At this stage, I agree with you. But I remember when I was in Kuwait and the Iraqi invaded Kuwait, all the helpers and the laborers and the maids went back. And the Kuwaiti women who never touched a broom were doing the sweeping of the roads and all. So I think if all these people go, Goans will be forced to do this job themselves.
Throw out the migrant people out. And then you see whether the Goans have to work or no.
But who
Excuse me.
has to do it?
Can I ask you a question as well? Okay. All right.
But who has to do this?
They have to, first of all, they have to control the ration cards. Don't give ration card to migrant to any Tom, Dick and Harry. Give it to the Goans. And then the Goans will stay there. When they find they cannot go to the ration, then they'll go back to their states.
Thank you very much, Mr. Peter. Nice meeting you. It was nice talking to you. We have Franko De Sa from Cuncolim who would also like to talk over this mine. There are 1 or 2 questions I'll ask him and he is ready to answer. Mr. Franko, can you please tell me what is your idea about all this mining going on?
I think mining we need, but we don't need illegal mining. Mining should be controlled. Taxes have to be paid from the mining companies to the government, collected, repair the roads, like previously you said, dust is going, do the roads. The mining should pay for all the roads, all the electricity, water for the villages around what they destroyed. Mining has the power to do all that. Unfortunately, all the mining money is going outside.
But don't you think that once all the mountains are finished,
No.
will be the state of Goa?
Remember what I said. We need mining, but I did not say, as you might be saying, full mining. We do not want first illegal mining, but we need it. There's no way in this world, even in this great country, where there is money, you're going to stop.
Yeah. And you need a controlled mining, right?
So of course.
Now, as in the past, we had your MLA was there, Mr. Joaquim Alemão.
Yes.
What do you think he has done about money? Has he increased the illegal mining or decreased it?
I don't know what he's done for mining, but I believe he had, from what he says, he didn't own a mine, but as all MLAs did in the last government, didn't tell the truth.
Not according to you, according to you.
According to me, I don't think he did enough. What did he do about mining? I won't even answer that because I can answer what he did for Cuncolim, but for mining, I think he said he helped them.
Do you have any Cuncolim mining in Cuncolim?
I don't know about that.
No idea.
I have no idea.
So what is your suggestion now for the new government to do?
The new government is to control it. Control it, collect the tax and make sure the tax is paid and put back into the community where the mines are going. Not in the Goa community, in the mining community around the mines. Give them water, give them dust-free roads, a special time check on the trucks as they go. Regulated, complete control, everything, and then they should take. But I must say one thing. This lady says there's no mining. I've just come from Goa. There's mining going on. There's no mining in my village in Cuncolim. I come from Dandora. There are about 15, 20 trucks parked because they're not using them. They're not allowed. So where the stories in London are coming mining, or you are an interviewer, do you know mining going on at the moment?
Yeah, we do know about it. But,
But how much is going on as the papers are saying?
we see, well, we don't go deeply into the other countries.
right.
We are more worried about Goa.
No. How much mining in Goa is going on at the moment, do you know?
At the moment, it is vast, beyond this thing.
Well, what you're saying and what I just saw in my village, the trucks will stop because of mining. So, okay, whether maybe I don't even have the right size for that, but all I can say is that we will never stop mining. Control it. That's the future. Control the mining, collect the mining tax. Because remember something, where there's money to be made anywhere in the world, nobody's going to touch it. You can never never stop.
But you can always control it.
That is important. That is important, and give Mr. Parekar a chance.
It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank you.